Hi dog lovers, this is Nina and here I have two fantastic colors for a canine. Get acquainted with outstanding benefits of these supplies in the next minute. These beautiful collars are made of quality full-grain leather. Both feature attractive adornment, nickel-plated spikes and brass studs set in columns. What is different is their colors: elegant white and bright pink. It should be noted as well that on our website you'll find the same colors in classic options: black, brown and natural tan. The leather strap is hand-cut and processed manually to make it durable and soft. It won't tear or wear out shortly, and the edges won't cut into the pet skin as they are rounded. There are no chemicals or toxic dyes, only natural components and oil. The closure is classic belt style, steel with the nickel plating. And you may regulate the circumference of the supply as there are several holes on the other end. As for the decorations, they are securely riveted. Every 3 half balls are followed by every 3 spikes set in columns. Cool and luxury design. Using one of these collars, it will be a pleasure for you to control your doggy. Safe and convenient to use, these items deserve your attention. Thank you for watching this review. Please subscribe to our channel. Waiting for your likes and comments. Bye-bye!